UHD 4K dash cam dual lens, safety on every journey. Are you looking for a super sharp dash cam that records your entire trip clearly and safely? The UHD 4K dash cam dual lens is the perfect choice. Ultra clear 4K recording, capture every detail sharply, even at night. Front and rear dual lenses, full coverage with no blind spots. Built-in Wi-Fi and GPS, easy connection, accurate route tracking. 24/7 parking monitoring, protects your car anytime, even when you're away. With its compact, modern design, this product is not only a smart black box but also a reliable companion, ensuring safety and peace of mind on every road. Get the product at the best price at the link in the video description. Features and specifications. Installation type, portable dashcam suitable for all vehicles. Camera sensor, front 8 MP plus rear 2 MP camera lens, front 6 glass plus 170-degree angle plus f1.8 aperture. Camera lens, rear 4 glass plus 140-degree angle plus f2.0 aperture. Video resolution, front 3840 and 2160p at 30 fps. Video resolution, rear 1920 and 1080p at 25 fps. Photo resolution, 12m. Video code, H.264. Battery, built-in supercapacitor and coin cell. Battery is very small, cannot support working, only for save time and setting. Please use original power charger when working. UHD languages, support all languages at app. Basic features, G-sensor, cycle recording, parking monitor, time and data display, wide dynamic range, on-off automatically. Memory card, micro SD card, class 10 and 16 GB to 256 GB, not included. Rear camera upgrade, support max 10 meters cable rear camera. Add features, night vision, 3840 and 2160p front camera, 4K video resolution, Wi-Fi, GPS tracking. Packing list, -1 packaging box. -1 4K dashcam. -1 original car charger with GPS, optional. -1 user manual. -1 gift. -1 1080p night vision rearview camera with 6 meters cable, optional. -1 buck line for 24H parking monitoring, optional. Pay attention, about 24H monitoring, the DVR is only compatible with cars that have a 12V power supply. A 24V power supply will burn the motherboard. If you want to use 24V, please add a 24V to 12V converter, BL. About video, our car DVR is 4K video recorder must use high-quality class 10 TF card, any low-quality/low-speed TF card all can't support our DVRs work normally. If you can't make sure you have good TF card, please buy our original TF card together. About rear camera, because the chipset and camera sensor are different with other seller, we only guarantee that our original rear camera can work well with our dash cam. Attention, the recorder needs to be equipped with a high-speed C10 or higher memory card for normal use. It is recommended to buy memory card packaging in this store to avoid adverse reactions to the product due to the purchase of irregular memory cards. Click the link in the video description below to check it out and grab yours today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, drop a comment to share your thoughts or questions, and subscribe to our channel, Best Products 365, for more awesome tech reviews and smart shopping tips. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.